Good things take time. I've been thinking a lot about why I'm starting this business and where it comes from. And I think my idea of luxury has changed a lot throughout the years. It used to be expensive bags, classic designer stuff. Now I think of luxury as much more than that. I see it as clean air, open spaces, good mental health, organic foods, connection, real connection with the people around me. So that's the real reason I'm starting everything. Luxury is ever evolving, and if you enjoy this video, I invite you to continue. I'll be sharing recipes, wellness rituals, and more on bymothertongue.com. Hope you like this recipe. By Mother Tongue.